Hello friends, welcome to Ikra Technology. Let's learn about abstraction in Python. So abstraction means hiding the internal details and showing only the necessary features of an object. Abstraction helps us reducing the complexity by focusing on what an object does instead of how it does. So why we use abstraction? Let's first understand the use case of abstraction. Why do we need such feature? So now suppose you have some common functionality that you want to enforce across multiple derived classes, so you can use abstraction or abstract classes in that case. Or you want to create a general class which has some functionality which can be inherited by all the children classes in order to create in order to create like a specific version of that general class. Then you can use abstract class, and you there is certain situation where you want to enforce certain method to every subclass. That's where you can use abstract class. So don't worry, we will understand this with an example. Now let's see. Here we have a scenario where we have to create a program to stimulate different pets. Each pet can make its own sound and all pets can sleep. You will use an abstract class for common behavior and specific classes for each pet. So first things first is you in order to use the abstract class you must inherit abc. So what abc means? Abc stands for abstract base class and abstract method. These two things you must inherit from the abc module. Then in order to create abstract base class, you create it like any other class and give abc into the class inherit parenthesis, so it will understand that you are trying to create an abstract base class. Then in this base class, now you want to create an abstract method. Okay, so abstract method is make sound. This make sound is, you can consider this animal class as a general class. Okay, as I said, it's a common general class. Now you want to create a specific animal class. Suppose I have a scenario where every animal must have a function called as make sound in it. Okay, I want this to be compulsorily present in every animal every specific animal class I'm creating. Suppose I'm creating a dog class, it must have a make sound functionality. I'm creating cat class, it must have make sound functionality. I'm creating a donkey class, it must have make sound functionality. So here I want to enforce every uh, dedicated class with the make sound function. So I'll create a template like general class which is abstract base class, and now I will inherit this. So I can use the function defined here to give it our own definition. Now if you will give it the definition here, what definition will you give? Animals, there are multiple animals, different animals make different sounds. So if there is a cat makes a different sound. If there is a dog makes a different sound. If there is a mouse makes a different sound. So what exactly you will give? You cannot give anything exactly to make sound function, right? Here this is a generic thing. Now you want to create a dedicated class. Now if you create a dog class, you know that dog makes a particular type of sound, woof woof. Then you are creating a cat class, you know the cat makes a particular type of sound, meow meow. So you know that what sound they are going to make. So you are basically using this generic abstract class to create your dedicated class while making sure that every class is creating the make sound function. So this is what the use case of abstract base class and abstract method is. One thing to notice, whenever you are creating an abstract method, you must use abstract method decorator before it to make interpreter realize that you are creating an abstract method. So let's quickly run what abstraction is. Abstraction is process of hiding the complexities from the user and only showing what is essential, what is necessary. You can implement the abstraction in Python using abstract base class and abstract methods. So in order to use abstract base class, you must import abstract base class from ABC module and abstract method. Here we have created a generic animal method, which tells us that we must create a make sound function in every in every dedicated animal we create. So using the animal class, we are creating a dog function which is implementing its own make sound, and we are creating the cat function which is implementing its own make sound. So yeah, that's all about today's video. Thank you.